In today's video, we are still doing a series of videos on CAPSTONE business simulation. And before that, if you need help in CAPSTONE, CAPSIM, SESIM, or any other related simulation, text us on the email on the description and we shall sort you out. Thank you. So, first things first, today we are going to talk about production mainly. And production plays a very important role in the simulation. This because after forecasting the number of products we are going to sell, we move to production, whereby we produce in relation to the demand or in relation to the forecast that you have made under marketing. So first things first, we have the production schedule, whereby we have all our products. We are still in round one of the simulation, and our products are Pekka, we have bid, we have the second bid, we have bold, and lastly we have buddy. So if you want to make production decisions for our first product, which is Becca, you'll first see the unit sales forecast, the number of products that have been forecasted to be sold, and then you have the inventory on hand. So, according to me, as I've been tutoring, your inventory on hand should be below 50. So you shall produce in relation to what you have in the inventory on hand. So from 1200, you subtract 189, because 189 are the number of products that are still in the company. They are already packaged in the company, have not yet been sold, but now you can see we are forecasted to sell 1200. So under the production schedule, we'll produce in relation to the unit sales forecast. Then you have something called the plant utilization, which shows us maybe the percentage at which we are utilizing the plants available. Next part, we have the modified plant. Now this way you can maybe modify a particular product by buying capacity, buying automation, and maybe if the capacity is a bit higher, you can sell capacity so that you can avoid having a lot of capacity in one product. You can sell capacity for maybe this product Becca. You can sell it maybe to 1,000, and then you can get money into the company, or sell capacity for Becca and buy capacity for other products. We also have automation. Also, you can still choose to sell automation or to reduce automation, or also you can choose to increase automation. Then you have the plant investments. Now, whenever you make the decisions here, they'll be here. In case you sell capacity for the first product, which is Becca, you will see here maybe a value will come in. And then you have the maximum investments. Now, if you want to invest in the company, maybe buying capacity for all our products, the maximum investment for this round is $32,693. So you should not invest more than that in buying capacity and automation. Next, we have the margins. And under the margins, we are going to learn something about maybe the second shift production in percentage for all our products. We have the labor cost per unit, the cost of labor, maybe per unit. Then we have the material cost per unit, material cost for our plants. Then you have the total variable cost, and then you have something called the contribution margin for all our 5 products. Remember that each product comes from its own segment, or its own segment. So low end segment has its own product, which is bid, and maybe the contribution margin is 27.8 in the company. So all products have their own contribution margin. Lastly, we have something called the workforce summary, and the workforce summary from round 3 will be under human resource, and it's simply explained to us maybe the number of employers that we have. Should we increase employers, or maybe employees? Should we increase the employees or the workers? Maybe the wage per hour for each employee. So the wage per hour for each worker, the training budget, the new employees that maybe we have we have employed in a particular year. So that's all that we are being discussing under the workforce summary, and it will come under the human resource from round 3. Then we have the first shift and the second shift. So these shall be taken seriously under the human resource part of CAPSTONE. So that's it about production. And for all our products, you'll have to make different decisions about the production schedule. So if you need help in CAPSTONE, or any other related simulation, text us on the email on the description or on the WhatsApp number on the description, and we shall sort you out. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. Thank you.